Today I'll show you a very simple way to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. The best part is that you don't need a USB flash drive. You won't lose any data. And this works on both supported and unsupported hardware, so make sure to watch this video until the end without skipping any part. Otherwise the method may not work for you. Let's get started. I'm on my Windows 10 right now. The first step is to download the Windows 11 ISO. Open any browser and search for Windows 11 ISO download. Click on the first official Microsoft website link. Once you are on the website, scroll down, and you will see Windows 11 Disk Image section. From the drop-down, select Windows 11 ISO. Then click Confirm. Now choose your language here. After that, click Confirm. Here click on 64-bit download. The Windows 11 ISO will start downloading. Wait until the download completes. Once downloaded, you'll need to extract the ISO. Right-click the ISO and select Mount. It will create a virtual drive OB on your PC. Now open it. Copy all files from this virtual folder. Now open your C drive here. Create a new folder and rename it as Win11. Open it and paste all files here. Now click on this folder's address bar and copy the address. In Windows search bar, type cmd. Right-click on it and run as administrator. In command prompt, type cd space and paste the address of folder here. Now type this command and press enter. The Windows 11 setup will launch. Click on Change How Setup Downloads, Updates, and make sure to choose this option. Then click Next. Windows will run a check, and even if your PC doesn't meet the official requirements, it will bypass that. Next, accept the license agreement. And on the following screen, make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected. Then click Next. When it says Ready to Install, simply click Install. The upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 will now begin. During the installation, your PC may restart after a few times, so don't worry, it's normal. After some time, Windows 11 will be installed. As you can see, my PC has successfully upgraded. The desktop looks new, and none of my data or apps have been lost. Even my desktop files are still here. At this point, you can delete the Win11 folder you created earlier in the C drive because it's no longer needed and only takes up extra space. Now you can try using Windows 11 for a week or so. If you're happy with it, keep it. If not, Windows gives you an option to roll back to Windows 10 within 10 days. To do this, go to Settings, then System, and then Recovery. And under Recovery Options, you'll find Go Back. From there you can easily return to Windows 10. Hopefully you found this method helpful. So like the video and subscribe to the channel. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.